Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the AI Nero Magic Show. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own custom GPT that allows you to generate content. Now use cases might be, for instance, to create blog articles or generate emails or anything really that requires you to generate content based upon existing content. I need to emphasize this video builds on top of my previous video where I demonstrated how to create a GPT that is reacting upon your own custom data where you want to have more than 20 files. As we all know, GPTs allows you to upload 20 files. That's way too little for any serious usage. So my last video was about how to have it use 1,000 files, right? And you can see a link to that video in this description. And in fact, here is the chatbot I created in my previous video, where you can ask about what are iNero's primary products. You can, ask it anything. And instead of only using 20 files, this chatbot will actually use 212 training snippets or something, because it actually invokes our cloudlet, which contains a bunch of data to get context that it returns to the GPT, which the GPT then again is actually using to answer my questions. So here you can see we have AI website search, blah, 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 etc., etc. So this is an accurate description of our products. And as you can see here, I obviously have the capability to have my GPT react upon a lot more data than the 20 files restrictions that comes with GPTs from OpenAI. So anyways, now in my previous video, I created an endpoint. Here is the code for this endpoint. There's a link in the description of this YouTube video to an article where you can find this code. But basically what the code does, it creates an HTTP endpoint for me that actually gets context data that is related to my query being the single input argument here. Here you can see I've opened my HTTP endpoints here. Tell me about your chatbot. And as you can see here, it's perfectly capable of answering my question. What I can do now, I can go to OpenAPI, filter here on system endpoints, can invoke this guy with YouTube / get context. The process is the exact same as in the previous video, which I'm linking to in the description of this video. And basically what I want to do, I want to have an open API specification that I put into my GPT. I'm going to create a new GPT here now. Then I'm going to go to configure. Then I'm going to add an action. Then I'm going to import from URL, click import, at which point now I have created a custom action and associated that with my GPT. This custom action has one single HTTP API endpoint. And in order to make it public, I'm going to need a privacy policy. So I'm going to use this guy, which is our default privacy policy. I don't need authentication and authorization. So I'm basically done now, right? So now I can click back here now. And I can just give it an instruction. So iNero, let me give it a name, content production. That is its name. Let me find a nice image, upload photo, documents, and let's see if we can find some nice photo here. Magic, backend, files, etc. www, assets, images, iNero. Let's use our robots. ChatGPT chatbot. Yeah, hi Frank. Generates articles based upon the content found from our context API endpoint. Good for blogging and content production. What does this GPT do? Now I want to create an instruction for it. Right. You are an expert. You are a marketing expert, and you will create blog articles that could go viral. use my get context action to retrieve context and write your articles. And I'm done. Let's just save it publicly, confirm. And we're now like how many minutes into the video? 3 minutes or something? Create a blog article about iNero's ChatGPT chatbots and focus on its abilities to generate leads and increase sales. Another point being that now it's actually going to invoke my context endpoint, passing in that as a query, which implies that the cloudlet is going to return only content relevant to marketing and selling, and only content related to our ChatGPT chatbot product, which is a website chatbot you can embed on your website. And now it is going to use that content to create a blog article for me. Revolutionizing sales and lead generation, the power of iNero's ChatGPT chatbots. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance customer engagement and drive sales. Enter iNero's ChatGPT chatbots, a groundbreaking tool that's transforming the e-commerce and customer service sectors. Here's how iNero's ChatGPT chatbots are making a significant impact. Unprecedented sales growth. Blah, blah, blah. Lead collection and CRM integration, enhanced customer service, blah, 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 etc., etc. I don't know how many minutes I spent on this. If it wasn't for the fact that I was talking, I could probably pull it off in 2 minutes in total. So anyways, thank you for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment and all that beautiful stuff. And yet again, there are links in the description to all the relevant additional information you need in order to be able to reproduce this for yourself. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.